What is up, YouTube? It's your boy R6 Alex with an update video on the C10. So today I was able to finish cutting off part of my stock exhaust with a cut-off wheel grinder. And so I cut it off, and now I'm able to put the headers. And so far I've only put 2 bolts on the header. Yep, that's the header. If you guys are wondering why I have it wrapped up, it's because when you're trying to put on the headers, it's really tough. If they're painted stainless steel, ceramic coated, whatever finish they have, they will get scratched. So what I did is in the original bag that they came in, I wrapped it around, taped it with masking tape, and whatever didn't get covered, I covered it with masking tape, because it does get scratched even when you're bolting in your bolts. It's a really tight fit, so you will get a little bit scratched. So I was just trying to play it safe and not to get too many scratches. The only way to get these hooker competition headers on your C10, it's from underneath. You can't, there is no freaking way you can put them from the top and try to set them down. You will have to go underneath and start putting them up. I'm doing this alone, so how I did it, I went underneath, I put them on top of my creeper, then I laid on the floor. I used that jack stand to help me hold it up while I bolted in. And that's about it. It's recommended if you guys have 2 people, one holding the header from the top, that way you don't get anything scratched, and then one from the bottom, just that way it doesn't fall down. And then make sure the bolts and everything that you use, you have them separated, you know where they go, because there's different kinds. There's these kinds that these are for the exit that connect to your exhaust. There are 6 of them, 3 for each header. And this is a hardware that they come in with a washer and a lock nut washer and a nut. And then these 2 are for the other brackets that they come with for your AC compressor. And then there's I believe a total of, how many is it? I got 2 over there, 4, 8, 10 of these smaller ones. And then 2 of these only go for the AC bracket, and then the rest go for the exit. And I believe this is part of your bracket for your AC compressor. Now these, the ones that I'm talking about with the nut, they go for the exhaust that goes on the end. 6 of them. The rest are for the top, and then the only 2, these 2 go for cylinder 1. So that's about it. Gaskets and everything look nice. So there goes one. I'm about to call it a day, get ready for work, and finish it up tonight. At least this header. And I'm gonna try to finish cutting it off, because I got it cut all up until where the cab ends. That's where the glass pack starts. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.